Now see exercise 4.3 based on graph. Draw the graph of the following linear equation. X plus y is 4 is very similar to x plus y is 7. In last lecture we have drawn the graph of x plus y is 7. So you can draw the graph of x plus y is 4 similar to that. Clear? Second is x minus y is 2. Second question, we start with second question. Draw the graph of x minus y is 2. Clear? In order to draw the graph of x minus y is 2, I should form a table. Here is x, here is y. Two values are sufficient to draw the graph. When x is 0, if you put x is 0 in the equation, it implies 0 minus y is 2. So my y is minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is one of the solution, okay? टेबल में हम लिखेंगे जब x is 0, y is minus 2. Now you put y is 0. Take y is 0. So it implies x minus 0 is 2. So x is 2. So what is the another solution? 2, 0. 2, 0 is another solution, okay? 0 minus 2 and 2, 0. Is another solution, okay? Now let me draw the graph. I draw coordinate plane, okay? X-axis and y-axis. They are mutually perpendicular, okay? This is my y-axis. This is my x-axis. This is my positive direction of x-axis where I take. This is where the meet is origin. At distance 1 unit, this is 1 and this is 2. Here also at distance 1 unit, this is 1, this is 2. Scale we are keeping same. 1 is 1 centimeter. This is minus 1. This is minus 2, okay? And this side also I can take, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, and so on. Two solution I represent as a 2 point on in a plane. 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is a point on y-axis. So this is my 0 minus 2, okay? And another point is 2, 0. So that is this point, okay? Now I join them, right? This is my graph of x minus y is, what is this graph? This is a graph of x minus y is 2. Clear? Clear? Where the meet is O minus 1 and this is minus 2, okay? This is your 2. So my graph will be like this. Clear? This is my graph of x minus y is 2. Clear? So scale is, what scale I have taken? Scale is 1 centimeter on both x-axis as well as y-axis, okay? Now another graph. I am asked to draw the graph of y is, what are the another 4 graphs we have to construct. Y is 3x and 2x plus y is 3. So y is 3x now. How to draw the graph of y is 3x? Draw the graph of y is 3x. And fourth question is, draw the graph of 2x plus y is 3. Draw the graph of 2x plus y is 3. First, I will draw the x and y axis. Okay, mutually perpendicular. Okay, and this is my y axis, this is my x axis. Okay, x, O, x dash, y, O, y dash. Okay, now I have to form the table. Table के लिए I will form this way. I form a table. 2 values, 2 solutions are more than sufficient to draw the graph x and y. When x is 0, y is also 0. When x is 1, y is 3. So what are these 2 solutions? 0, 0 and 1, 3 are 2 solutions. So I can plot these 2 points, 2 order pair, 2 solution as 2 points in a plane. So I have to take scale में मैं क्या लूँगी? 1 is 1 centimeter. 1 is 1 centimeter, both on x and y axis. So I write here 0, 1 and 2. Here I will write 1, 2 and 3. Right? Here I write -1, -2 because maximum value of x is 1 and maximum value of y is 3 in table. Here is -1, -2. I have taken the point on x and y axis. Now 0, 0 मतलब solution मतलब the point representing 0, 0 is origin. And 1, 3 मतलब from x1 and y3. 1, 3 position of 1, 3 is somewhere here. Okay. Now join them. So this is my graph of y is 3x. Okay. 2x plus y is 3. कैसे बनाएंगे हम? 2x plus y is 3. So 2x plus y is 3 मतलब इसके पीछे. How to draw the graph of 2x plus y is 3? First I will form a table. Clear? Table बनाएंगे 2x plus y is 3 का like this. X, y. X is 0, what is y? And y is 0, what is x? चलो x is 0 रख देते हैं. हाँ, x is 0 रख देंगे. You put x is 0, y will be 3 and when y is 0, x will be 3 by 2. Okay. So 2 solutions are 0, 3 and 3 by 2, 0. Are 2 solutions. Clear? Now take scale 1 is 1 centimeter and draw the graph. Another is, okay, this is my x, y, x dash and y dash. This is my O. इधर हम लेंगे, कहाँ तक लेना है? 3 by 2 तक मतलब 1 and 2. इधर कहाँ तक लेना है? 1, 2 and 3. नेगेटिव वैल्यू तो चाहिए ही नहीं. इधर हम लेंगे -1, -2. इधर हम लेंगे -1. I have taken 1 is equal to 1 centimeter. First solution is 3/2, so it will be somewhere here. Okay. And another solution is 0.3, मतलब it is somewhere here. Okay. So let us join them. Draw this. Okay. So this is my graph of 2x plus y is 3. Are you clear how to construct the graph? Now another sum is give the equation of two lines passing through 214. How many more such lines are there and why? Right? Now first here if I take x is 2 and y is, here x is given as 2, here x is 2. What is given here? Solution में x is 2 and y is 14. So what is relation between x and y? First relation is x plus y. If I add them, I am getting 16. Second equation is product. Right? Relation. What is y? Y is 7x. Okay. This is the another line. Line x plus y is 16 is passing through 215, because when I put x is 2 and y is 14, it satisfies this equation. And another equation is y is 7x, that also satisfied by point 214. Okay. So these are the two equations. Not only that, suppose you take any equation 2x plus y. Put the value of x and y. X is 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 14. What is it? 18. Now you put here x is 2 and y is 14. It satisfied this equation. So you take any expression. You can take any expression, any linear expression, okay? Any expression of x and y, linear. Any expression of x and y, linear, in a linear form, and put the value of x and y, and equate it with that value, and equate it with that value. We get new equation, okay? Every time we get new equation. So I can say that we can have infinite number of, therefore we can say we can have infinite number of such lines, okay? Infinite number of line passing through point 214, okay? We have an infinite number of lines passing through 214, okay? So both question के answer मिल गए. First we have given 3 equation and many more we can obtain. And second question is how many such lines. So infinite number of line can be formed. Okay. Now third question is if point 34 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is ax plus 7, find the value of a. Now see, in order to find out values of A, as 3, 4 lies on line 3y is ax plus 7, therefore it must satisfy this equation. It must satisfy this equation. Okay, this point must satisfy this equation. So put x is 3 and y is 4 in number 1. This is my number 1. We get 3 into 4 is equal to A into 3 plus 7. So I will be getting 12 is equal to 3A plus 7. So my 3A will be 12 minus 7. So what we are going to get? 3A is equal to 12 minus 7 is 5. So it implies 3A is equal to 5. So that implies A is 5 by 3. So for what value of A? Question is, if point 34 lies on the graph of this, find the value of A. So if A is 5 by 3, then and only then the point 34 lies on the graph of 3y is ax plus 7. Okay, otherwise not. Now fourth question. Question is, we have to form the equation by using this information. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, matlab 8 is constant. And for each subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. पहले किलोमीटर वो ट्रैवल करेगा तो उसको 8 रुपया देना पड़ेगा, और दूसरे किलोमीटर के लिए 5, तीसरे किलोमीटर के लिए और 5, like that. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer. Distance covered is, I am taking x kilometer, and total fare I am taking as variable y. Write the linear equation for this information and also draw the graph. अब देखो, पहले हम क्या करेंगे? I will take, let x represent distance in kilometer, okay, kilometer, and y represent total fare in rupees. Then what is relation between y and x? For one kilometer, fare is rupees 8, and for another x minus 1 kilometer, total fare is 5 rupees per kilometer. So total fare is 5 times x minus 1 rupees, okay, right? So I can take, therefore y, that is total fare is 8 plus 5 times x minus 1. Simplified it. Y is 8 plus 5x minus 5. So I can get the linear equation y is 5x plus 3. This is the equation representing this information. Okay. Y is 5x plus 3. Now I have to draw the graph. So for that I have to form the table. How do I form the table? I will take two solutions. Clear? Because two solutions are more than sufficient to draw the graph. X 0 rakho, so y will be 3. So 0, 3 is one of the solution. Y 0 rakho, so it implies x is minus 3 by 5. So y 0, then x is minus 3 by 5. So we have a two solution. What are the two solution? 0, 3 and minus 3, 5, 0. Therefore 0, 3 and minus 3 by 5, 0 are the two solutions. Okay. Now two solution can be represented as a 2 point in a plane. Okay. So what I am supposed to do? I will draw x and y axis. Okay. Then here is another line. Clear? This is my y axis. This is my x axis. This is my y dax. This is my x dax. And where they meet is your O. Clear? Now I will take here 1, here 2. Clear? Here is 1, 2, 3. Clear? Here is -1 and here is -2. Okay. Here is -1, -2, -3. Now I have to plot two solutions as 2 points on a number line in a plane. So 0, 3 is on y axis, so it is here. Okay, this is one of the point. And -3/5 0 matlab -3/5 between 0 to -1. It is somewhere here. Clear? Because this is your -1, so this is your -3/5 I have taken. Now join them. Clear? So this is your graph representing this relation. What is the equation? Y is 5x plus 3. This is graph of y is 5x plus 3. Clear? Scale is 1 centimeter. Okay. Scale can be taken as one is 1 centimeter, both on x-axis as well as y-axis. Okay, this is my scale. Clear? And I draw the graph. Now, next sum, you are given the graph. Okay. From the choice given below, choose the equation whose graphs are given in figure 4.6 and 4.7. Now 4.6 graph is passing through origin. Okay. So my equation must be ya to out of this 4 alternative, it can be y is x or y is 2x or y is minus x, but it won't be fourth. Out of first, second and third, any one must be answer because all are passing through origin. Ax plus by plus c is 0 में अगर c is 0, then the graph is always passing through origin. That you must know. Now see, you are given some solution. Okay, क्या दिया है here? In this graph, one point is 1 minus 1. So अगर 1 minus 1 में y is x में रखती हूँ तो it won't satisfy. x plus y 0 में रखती हूँ तो it satisfy. y is 2x में रखती हूँ तो it does not satisfy. So what is the correct answer? Which equation is passing through 1 minus 1? It is only x plus y is 0. Okay, because y x is not satisfied by point 1 minus 1. Okay, right? Y is 2x is also not satisfied by point 1 minus 1. Now another point is minus 1 1. Minus 1 1 is also not the solution of y is x as well as y is 2x. So both 1 minus 1 and minus 1 1 are the solution of equation x plus y is 0. So 4.6 is a graph of x plus y is 0. Okay. Here graph is passing through 1 minus 1 and minus 1 1. Okay. So also it passes through 0 0. 0, 0. So my equation can be first, second or third. But 1 minus 1. Equation can be, there are three possibilities. Equation can be x is y, or x plus y is 0, or y is 2x. But 1 minus 1 and minus 1 1 are the solution of x plus y is 0. Therefore, figure 4.6 is a graph of equation x plus y is 0. Okay. Now next, another graph. See the graph 4.7. Here 2, 0 and 0, 2 and minus 1, 3. Three solutions are given. Right? If I put 2, 0 in equation y is x plus 2. Right? So my answer is 0 is 2 plus 2, not satisfied. 2, 0 does not satisfy equation number 1. 2, 0 satisfied equation number 2. Right? 2, 0 satisfied your equation number 3 also. Okay? And 2, 0 does not satisfy 4th. So my equation can be second or third. If I consider only 2, 0 as a solution, then 2, 0 is a solution of equation number 2 and 3. But 0, 2 is only a solution of second, y is x minus 2. This equation is, this 0, 2 satisfied, no, it won't satisfy 0. 0, 2 does not satisfy my y is x minus 2. But 0, 2 is satisfied by 0, 2 satisfied equation number 3. So what is my correct equation? I think y is minus x plus 2, because it is passing through 2, 0 also, right? And it is passing through 0, 2 also, and it is passing through minus 1, 3 also. So my equation y is minus x plus 2 is passing through all those 3 points, okay, given in the graph. Okay, highlight जो point किए हैं वो highlight point are satisfied by both these equation. Okay, so for 4.6 I can write solution are, देखो in figure 4.7 solutions are 2, 0, 0, 2 and minus 1, 3. And equation, this is graph of x plus y is 2, okay, because if I add x and y, suppose 2 plus 0 is 2, 0 plus 2 is 0, and minus 1 plus 3 is also 2. So it is a graph of x plus y is 2. Matlab, it is a graph of y is minus x plus 2. Right? So figure 4.7 is a graph of equation y is minus x plus 2. Clear? This way you have to check. Do you understand how to find out the equation from the graph? Okay. Now see, in sum number 6, we have to form the equation. If a work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express this in form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of same by taking constant force 5 in it Okay, and after drawing the graph, read from the graph the work done when the distance travelled by body is 2 units, and second, when distance travelled by body is 0 units. So we should find out work done when distance is 2 as well as distance is 0. So first I assume let x be the distance travel, okay, and y represent be the work done, okay. I assume 2 variable for 2 quantity. Then according to given data, according to the question, according to question given, we have y is directly proportional to x. So I can get y is cx, where c is constant of proportionality, okay, where c is constant. But here it is given that constant force is 5 units. So my equation is y is 5x. Now see, y is 5x, this equation, graph is passing through origin, okay. Graph is always passing through origin. वो तो पता चल गया, okay. इसका graph is always passing through origin, okay. Graph is passing through 0 0 and 1 5, okay. अगर मैं टेबल बना दूं इधर, ग्राफ बनाने को बोला है, तो लेट अस ड्रॉ दी टेबल x y. X is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is 5. So 0 0 and 1 5 are 2 solutions, and 2 solutions are enough to draw the graph, okay. Now I construct the graph. How to construct a graph? Now in order to construct the graph, first I will take x-axis and y-axis, okay. This is the x-axis and this is y-axis, okay, where the meet is origin, okay. Now I take this scale, 1 is 1 centimeter, and I write this 1 2 3 4 5. Here also I take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Why I reach up to 10? Because we should find out work done when distance covered is, no, 2 question has been asked, no. Find out distance covered is 2 units, find out the work done, and distance covered is 0 unit, then find out the work done. तो हमको ऊपर तक जाना पड़ेगा. Now 2 solution are, एक तो 0 0, okay. This is one of the point, and एक 2 1 5. So 1 and 5, so it is somewhere here, okay. So join them. I got this graph, okay. This is my graph of y is, graph of my y is 5x, okay. Now when you are asked to find out when distance covered is 2 units, so at 2 I draw perpendicular, okay. And same way, this is my point P. From P I draw perpendicular to y-axis. It intersects y-axis at 0 10, okay. So when x is 2, imply work done, that is y is 10. Is 10 unit, okay? And when x is 0, then you know, then work done is, that is y, that is y is 0. Clear? So question is over. Now there is another question. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of a school, together contributed ₹100 towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Fatima and Yamini together contributed ₹100. Now write a linear equation with satisfying this data. अब देखो, अगर मैं x is a contribution of Yamini ले लूं and y is a contribution of Fatima ले लूं, so my equation is x plus y is 10 or x plus y is 100. So x plus y is 100 is a equation representing this relation, okay? They also ask you to write a linear equation which satisfies this data and draw the graph for the same. So मैं पहले क्या लूंगी इधर, let the contribution of Yamini is ₹x and Fatima is ₹y. मगर दोनों का टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन है 100. So x plus y is 100. This is my linear equation for this information, okay? Is 100, sorry, thank you. X plus y is 100, okay? So total contribution is 100. Now here scale इसे बड़ा लेना पड़ेगा. 1 is equal to 50 is equal to 1 centimeter on x-axis as well as y-axis, because इधर टोटल 100 है. तो स्केल ऐसा लेंगे. और टेबल कैसे बनाएंगे आपको पता है? टेबल बनाएंगे इधर बनाएंगे x and y का. To draw graph we require minimum 2 solution, x, y, okay? और मैंने बोला है 2 ही सॉल्यूशन लेना. x is 0, तो 0 plus y is 100, so y is 100, okay? And when y is 0, x is 100. So 100 0 and 0 100 are 2 solutions. Now I have to draw the graph. स्केल हमने ले लिया है, तो ग्राफ कैसे आएगा? I just draw x-axis and y-axis. X mutually perpendicular y-axis. ये मेरा y-axis, ये मेरी x-axis, ये मेरा origin, ये मेरा नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ x-axis, ये मेरा नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ y-axis. इधर नेगेटिव में जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. हम लेंगे इधर a 50 और a 100. क्लियर? सेम वे हियर a 50 or a 100. Clear? My two solutions are, one is 100 0, another is 0 100. Clear? Join them. This is my graph of x plus y is 100. Okay? ये थोड़ा ऊपर लेते हैं, 100 इधर लेते हैं. ओके, बराबर. Clear? Now there is another sum, such a huge big sum. बहुत सारी चीज पूछी गई है ना, बहुत सारी चीज पूछी गई है, बहुत सारे सवाल. इन कंट्रीज लाइक यूएसए का सवाल है. हाँ, अपने देश का नहीं है. इन कंट्रीज लाइक यूएसए एंड कैनेडा temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, while in countries like India it is measured in Celsius. But here is a linear equation that convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay? तो आपको ये जो रिलेशन दिया है उसका पहले ग्राफ बनाना है. क्लियर? एंड बाद में ग्राफ बनाने के बाद यूजिंग सेल्सियस फॉर एक्स एक्सिस एंड फ़ारेनहाइट ऑन वाई एक्सिस, वो बोल दिया है. इफ द टेम्परेचर इज 30 डिग्री इन सेल्सियस, व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर इन फ़ारेनहाइट फ्रॉम ग्राफ. एंड इफ टेम्परेचर इज 95 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट, व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर इन सेल्सियस, दैट ऑल्सो फ्रॉम ग्राफ. एंड if temperature is 0 degree centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Also, is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both F and Celsius? If yes, find it. 5 सवाल पूछे हैं. ओके, सो पहले तो इधर हम जगह है तो टेबल बना देते हैं. ओके, टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ वी require minimum 2 solutions. So for that we have to draw the table. This is my centigrade. Centigrade is X and Fahrenheit is Y. Clear? Centigrade is X. नहीं, centigrade क्या लेने को बोला है? Celsius on X axis. No. Yeah, centigrade on X axis and Fahrenheit on Y axis. Now, if I take C0, put C0, F is 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. So when I C0, my F is 32. Clear? So one of the solution is 0, 32. एंड दूसरे में हम F0 ले लेंगे. C0 implies this and F0 implies 9 by 5C is minus 32. So my C will be minus 32 into 5 upon 9. So क्या आएगा? फ्रैक्शन में आएगा, है ना? 32 5 जा 160 upon 9. So it is minus 160 by 9. Clear? So another solution is minus 160 by 9, 0. And here I am taking third solution is if C is 10, then F will be 50. are 3 solution. मैंने 3 solution लिया. क्लियर? 0 तो 32, here 0 तो minus 160 by 9 and here is 10 तो here is 50. 10 रखो, C is 10 रखो, 5 to 10, 18 plus 30 to 50. Clear? Now let us draw the graph. ग्राफ के बाद हम फटाफट क्वेश्चन के आंसर दे देंगे. हाँ, लुक हियर. लेट अस ड्रॉ एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस. ओके, दिस इज माय वाई एक्सिस, दिस इज माय एक्स एक्सिस, this is my negative direction of x axis, this is my negative direction of y axis. Okay, this is my origin. अब मैं स्केल क्या लेती हूँ? 10 इज इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर। क्या लेती हूँ मैं स्केल? 10 इज इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर। ऊपर मैंने स्केल लिया, 10 इज 1 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, चलो तो अभी मैं लिखती हूँ इधर 10, फिर 20, 30, 40, फिर 50 and 60. Okay, here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. ओके, एक पॉइंट इधर आएगा, एक पॉइंट इधर मार्क किया, एक पॉइंट इधर मार्क किया। एक पॉइंट इधर मार्क किया। अब देखो 10 तो 50, क्लियर? एक पॉइंट 10 50 आया, फिर एक पॉइंट कौन सा आया? 032। 032 मतलब समवेयर इधर आया, ये दिख रहा है ना आपको? 032 एंड एक पॉइंट आया माइनस साइड लेना पड़ेगा ना, तो इधर इज 10, इधर इज 20, तो एक पॉइंट समवेयर हियर आएगा, -17.5, राइट? दिस इज योर -17.50. ओके, 160/9 मतलब -17.5. Join them. So my graph will be like this. Okay, it is like this. This is my graph of f is 9/5c plus 32. Clear? Now first question is, second is temperature is 30 degree. Then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Temperature is 30 degree मतलब 30 डिग्री पर मैं परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करूंगी। ये हम चलो वायलेट से करते हैं, ब्लैक से करते हैं। 30 डिग्री पर बनाते हैं, 30 डिग्री से मैं इधर जाऊं परपेंडिकुलर टू y axis. It meet at this point. Okay, तो what is your question का आंसर? C is 30 degree implies f is क्या आया? 82. It's 82, no? Yeah, it's exactly 86. Not 82, it's 86. Okay, 90, 80 और 90 के ऊपर आधे से ज्यादा है। फिर दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, इफ f is, सेकंड क्वेश्चन, f is 95, what is c from graph? चलो f is 95 मतलब we take 190 के बीच, 190 के बीच हम एक लाइन बनाएंगे, राइट? Suppose it is like this. Then what is the corresponding centigrade? For corresponding centigrade, I will draw, right, this line. Where it cut? 40 पे. F is 95, then C is 40. Clear? देखो 40 पे कट करते हैं. Okay. Now third question is, temperature is 0 degree. C is 0. What is your F is? आपको पता है F is -160/9, 160/9 मतलब -17 approximately 5. Clear? देखो ये कहाँ से, अगर C0 C0 लेते हैं तो ये इधर से पास होता है, C0 देन F विल बी -17.5 दिख रहा है आपको. दिस पॉइंट इज -17.5, -0. क्लियर. नाउ दे सेड व्हेन बोथ आर इक्वल. बोथ आर इक्वल मतलब F एंड C आर इक्वल. F एंड C आर इक्वल वो लाइन कहां से पास होगी पता है? नीचे हम लेते हैं -10, -20, -30 एंड -40. तो ये -40 से हम ड्रॉ करेंगे ना लाइन. तो इधर से एक लाइन ओरिजिन में से पास होगी. देखो क्लियर. दिस इज योर लाइन F is C. Okay, so F is C, then this is also -40 and that is also -40. Clear. ये आएगा -30 and ये आएगा -40. So when C is equal to F, C is equal to F when C is -40 degree and F is also -40. Clear. C and F are equal when both are equal to -40. Clear. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both F and C? If yes, find it. तो हम क्या करेंगे? C is equal to F रख देंगे इक्वेशन में. तो C is equal to F रख देंगे तो F is equal to 9/5F प्लस 32. तो क्या आएगा? 9/5F माइनस F इज प्लस 32 है ना. तो 9/5 इज -32 आएगा ना. एल्जेब्रिकली करो तो क्या आएगा? 4/5F इज इक्वल टू -32. सो 4 8 जा. तो व्हाट इज माई F इज -40. क्लियर. Clear? So that complete your explanation of this sum. Okay, everything is over. That complete your exercise 4.3. बराबर. अब ये जो मैंने बनाया ना उसका मैं एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रही हूँ. In order to find temperature in Fahrenheit corresponding to 30 degree centigrade, let us first find a point P on x-axis representing 30 degree and then draw a perpendicular line through it. It cut the graph at Q. From Q you draw a perpendicular QL on y-axis. Clearly point L represents 86 Fahrenheit. Corresponding to 30 degree temperature of F is 86. Now in order to find the temperature in Celsius centigrade when F is 95, find a point R on y-axis representing 95 degree F. Draw a horizontal line through it. Let it cut the graph at S. Then from S, you draw a line perpendicular to SM on x-axis. Clearly M represents 35 degree on x-axis. So when F is 95, your C is 35. Clear? It is C is F is 95, then C is, it is not 40, it is 35. This is not 40, 40 is somewhere here. So it is 35. Okay. So the point मैं लिख रही हूँ इसको हम R लेंगे. वो जो मैंने अभी एक्सप्लेन किया ना वैसे पॉइंट आप लिखना. This is my T, this is my L, this is my R. Clear? ये मेरा R है, ये मेरा L है. ओके. वैसे जैसे मैंने बताया ना वैसे नाम लिखना आप. राइट. SM on x-axis. Clearly M represent 35. This is my M. Okay. एंड दिस इज माय P है, ये हमारा Q है और ये हमारा R है. ओके, लाइक दैट. पॉइंट लो और करते जाओ जैसे मैंने बोला. पुटिंग CF हमारा आया, F इज -40, तो C -40, तो -40 पॉइंट लेके वहां से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करने की. फ्रॉम -40 that from point T, if I draw a line, it passing through origin, so it is a graph of F is C, like that.